This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. In the ancient biblical narrative, the task of building a magnificent temple for the worship of the Almighty was entrusted to King Solomon. This monumental project is intricately detailed in the scriptures, specifically in 1 Kings 5 and 2 Chronicles 2. These passages highlight Solomon's visionary leadership and the meticulous preparations for a temple that would not only symbolize divine presence, but also unify the nation of Israel under one faith. Solomon's ambition to create a dwelling place for the Ark of the Covenant began with diplomatic efforts and thoughtful negotiation. Reaching out to King Hiram of Tyre, Solomon secured an essential partnership to obtain the finest materials. Hiram, a friend of Solomon's father David, provided cedar and cypress timber from the renowned forests of Lebanon. This wood was celebrated for its quality and durability, a vital component for the temple's construction. Solomon's correspondence with Hiram reflects wisdom and respect, setting the stage for an exchange that benefited both kingdoms. In return for Hiram's resources, Solomon offered wheat and oil, demonstrating a mutually beneficial alliance. Beyond political strategy and resource acquisition, Solomon orchestrated an impressive workforce to bring the temple vision to life. He enlisted thousands of laborers, organizing them into shifts and rotations, reflecting both his foresight and organizational prowess. Every detail, from the massive stones quarried and transported to the expertise of skilled craftsmen, was carefully planned and executed. Significantly, Solomon's preparations also underscore the spiritual dimensions of the project. He desired to build a house worthy of God's majesty, capturing the sacredness and splendor of the divine. This was not merely an architectural venture, but a sacred duty and offering of devotion. In this preparation phase, we witness not just the labor of human hands, but a manifestation of faith and purpose. Solomon's commitment to the temple reflects his desire to honor the covenant between God and Israel, forever etching his name into the annals of history as a builder of spiritual bridges and monuments. Through these preparations, Solomon paved the way for a temple that would stand in history, not just as a physical structure, but as a testament to faith, leadership, and divine aspiration. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels here on YouTube. They are Hard Biblical Questions, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.